We have interrupted your current broadcast to bring you to this emergency broadcast system. Civil authorities have issued an alert to all citizens in your area. There have been a total of 49 missing person reports in the past 3 hours. Witnesses have reported that people inside their homes have been killed by an unknown entity, and all reports have a generally similar point of view. The reports all say that the event took places in dark parts, such as houses, restaurants, hallways, and security rooms. The depiction of the entity was described as a strange animatronic bear. The entity was about 6.6 feet tall with red eyes, top hat, and a bow tie. If you hear the entity breaks into your house, find a safe location. If the entity sees you, if you feel uneasy in the past few days, serve your community by distancing yourself from others and buying them time to escape from the entity.